we need to cut an internal corner with our skirting. So we're going to use a scribing technique. The piece of skirting that already goes into the wall will run long. The piece that butts in will cut a 45-degree angle. Then with our compound saw, we'll follow this line, and then where it starts to curve and go to 45 degrees, we'll follow that with a coping saw, and then that will slot over the top of the next piece of skirting. So, I've got a little bench set up here, and coping saw. We just basically got to follow that line through. End up with a nice little scribe. I'll use my sharp Stanley blade to trim that off so it'll sit on nicely. Once I've got my scribe cut, the coping saw, just get a bit of sandpaper, little sand just to make it smooth it off. So it's only a small end scribe. So as I sit it on the internal corner, I'll use a sharp chisel and just take a little scallop for my mitre to sit onto. Angle of the 45-degree mitre there. So that's my line, and I know now that if I do a 45-degree cut, taking off half that line, I'll end up with one piece of my mitre for this external corner. Cut the second piece of the mitre, put a 45-degree angle on the next piece of timber, and slide it until the two angles intersect tightly. Hold the two ends of the 45 together, put some PVA wood glue on, and nail into position. So there you have our internal scribe in the internal corner ready to nail. Follow it through. Just have our skirting sitting in position with a 45-degree angle here. Got a few architraves putting on our sliding door unit and fix off. Got the stud marks on the ground where we can shoot. A little note to not nail anything over 20 millimeters, 30 millimeters through this door unit, so we protect our sliding cavity. Once you've got your skirting cut, your mitered end ready, and your scribe, go through and put some PVA glue in the top and bottom. Before we sheared, I've marked where the studs are. I usually leave the last nail out of my external mitre, just so I can adjust to make the mitre perfect.